Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're gonna see how we can deploy and host one website for free on the GitHub. So here in our local system we have this dummy website, so we're gonna see how we can host that on the GitHub. So first of all we have to go to the GitHub account, and here we're gonna create one new repository and we're gonna call it monkey site, and we have to make it public, and also we can add readme file. For now we're just gonna keep it simple and then create repository. So we have created this repository. Let's now push those local files into this repository. So we're gonna copy paste these commands. So we have successfully pushed these local files into that remote repository. So if we refresh that, so here you can see we have those two files. We have this index.html and the monkey.png. So in our file system we must have one file called index, and this will be the entry point. Now to host this site we have to go to settings, and here under this code and automation we have to click on pages, and now here we have to select deploy from branch, and after that here we have to select the branch we wanted to deploy from. Because we have only one main branch, so we're gonna select that and then click on save. So now it will take 1 or 2 minutes, and after that we're gonna see our website link right here. So you can see now our website is live. So here you can see we have the link for our website, so we have to click on visit site, and here you can see we have this hosted site. And the cool thing about this is that if we make any changes to that, it will be automatically deployed and we don't have to do anything about that. So let's make some changes. So we're gonna add a paragraph with some content, and now commit that changes, and let's now push that. So our changes are pushed onto the GitHub. So we have to just wait for a minute and our new build will be deployed automatically. So our new build is live now, so we have to visit the site. So you can see our website is updated with this new paragraph, and we don't have to really do anything. We just have to wait for a minute and everything is up to date. So this is the way we can deploy and host our website for free on GitHub Pages. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.